Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the very first time if you're new here. Today we're going to be unboxing a very exciting new package from Royal Albert. So I did do an unboxing sometime last year, I'm pretty sure, of the first part of this collection, which is the 100 year Royal Albert collection or something around those lines. Before we get into the unboxing, please be sure to subscribe. It's super easy, just hit the little subscribe button down below and be also sure to hit the little bell so you get notified every time that I post. On to the unboxing. First things first, we need to open both boxes. I'm not able to pick up the other one because it's very big and it's going to be right here next to me. So I went for the 100 year collection from Royal Albert, which it is kind of like split in decades. So it starts from the 1900s all the way up to like 2000, maybe, no, to 1990. So it's going to be 10 different ones, and I already have 5 of them. So from the year 1900 to the year 1940. I have the teacups and the tea and the saucers, and of course the little salad plates that you can buy separately. So I knew that after I got those, I'm trying to unbox here. Here it is, and this is the 1900s to the 1940s. So this collection is divided in 2 sets. So from 1900s to the 40s, and then from the 50s to the 90s. I do want to get the entire collection, but so far I just purchased, I think last year, the set of this one for the teacups, saucers, and the salad plates. So for today, I picked up the cake tier, or yeah, tier, I believe that's how you call it, and I got the teapot with the creamer and the little sugar bowl. I do say that I want to get the entire collection because the other years are the more like pinkish, light yellow, super pretty. So anyway, this is the cake stand. Let's go ahead and unbox this one first, since you know I already have it here, and then I have to go and open the other box because it's pretty big compared to this one. And this is gonna be a little hard to open. I do own another different set from Royal Albert, the entire thing. It's the rose confetti, and I really love it. But when I saw that this one was released, I knew I had to get it. It's old already, it's been around for a little while, but I started picking that set up only last year. So let me ooh, this is pretty. So here's the top one. That's gonna be the first, and then the middle one. Ah, this is my favorite out of the collection. This is the 1900s Regency Blue. So stunning. And then the taller one, the one on the biggest one, this is going to be the Duchess. This one is 1910s. So I'm going to set this away. I'm gonna put it apart and then put it together, and then I'm gonna show you the teapot because that's the most exciting thing, at least for me. How pretty. I cannot wait to have afternoon tea and bust out this set, because usually we always use the rose confetti. So this is relatively new to me, so I cannot wait to use it. So anyway, I'm gonna be right back with the teapot and the rest of the things. Here it is. So I picked this one. This is going to be the teapot, the creamer, and the sugar bowl. I picked this one up directly from the Wedgwood website, which in the past Royal Albert had its like standalone website for the US, but a few months back they just joined forces with Wedgwood, so now you find all of Royal Albert in the Wedgwood website. So the teapot I bought from, or the teapot set I got from the website from Wedgwood, and the little cake stand I got from Amazon, which is way cheaper. And then right after I purchased this, I realized that Amazon brought it back in stock. That is actually the reason, by the way. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. This one they're gonna be discontinuing, so this colorway. Look at how pretty. This one again is 1910s, the Duchess. So beautiful. My favorite out of the collection of this set is going to be Regency Blue, which is one of the ones that I showed you, but I'll show it again. But this is my second favorite. So whenever I saw that this set came with this design in the kind of like teapot set, I knew I had to get it. It is such a beautiful one, and of course it's very different from Rose Confetti, which is the only other collection that I have from Royal Albert. Look at how pretty. This is so stunning. This is the little creamer, and then let me show you the sugar bowl. So pretty. I just love tea sets. That's something that I think I've mentioned before in actually that video that I did of the unboxing of these teacups and saucers. And here is the sugar bowl. It is so pretty. I love the little blue floral design or print up here. It's so beautiful. And like I said, this is very different from my Rose Confetti, because Rose Confetti just has like a ton of like tiny little flowers. And this one, I thought it was a little bit more, I don't know, maybe a little less feminine, a little more grown up, if that makes any sense, because it doesn't have the tiny flowers everywhere. Oh my goodness, how pretty. Look at that teapot. And actually, we do use our teapots and our tea sets a lot. Or that one that we have, the Rose Confetti, we do use it a lot. So I thought that we needed a bit of a refresh and get a second one. And let me show you the teapot. How stunning is that? It is just so beautiful. And my husband and I do really enjoy sitting down and having like actual like afternoon teas, or sometimes in the mornings if we're not in like a super rush to sit down to work. We'll sit down and have like a more relaxed breakfast, and we have some tea, we have some like fruit, some cookies, and it's just adorable times that we have together. So here is again the teapot. I am so happy I picked this collection. I had it already in mind, or this set, for a long time, but when I saw that it was gonna be discontinued, I immediately purchased. Like, I've had this on my wish list for probably almost over 2 years, and this was the design that I wanted to get for this first set. Again, the collection is kind of like broke down in 2 sets, and I have already all the teacups and saucers for this one. Here it is. I'm so proud of myself because I did it myself. The other one that we have, my husband put together. So I was like, I can do it myself. And here it is. I'm showing it like this so you can see a little bit better the angle, you know, how it's angled. So on the very top, this is the English chintz, and this one is from 1940s. And then the bottom one is, actually the middle one is my favorite. This is Regency Blue. I wish they had brought out this design with the teapot, but they didn't bring it out, or not that I recall. And then at the very bottom, we have the bigger plate, which is the 1900s, the Duchess, or 1910s, I'm sorry, the Duchess, which is the one that I have, the teapot, that matches. So here it is, and of course I already have the set. It comes with this 3 exactly, plus a couple 2 more that I don't have, you know, it's not on the actual dessert tire, but here it is. So stunning. I ran downstairs to my china cabinet to get 2 of the cups and saucers from this set, from the 100-year collection, just to show you, because the designs, I brought the ones that are not in this design. So these are the 3 that of course come in the set, but also this 2. So we've got the this is the 1930s, yeah, mint deco, super pretty. And I have a full unboxing talking about this teacup and saucer set. And I do have all of the salad plates. So this is again, the 1930s, and this is kind of like how you would use it. Of course, you don't need to use a salad plate, but I do like to use it. And I didn't bring the salad plate of these ones, but you get the idea of how the 3 of them look together. And this one is the 1920s Spring Meadow, another one that does not come in the dessert plate. So if you get this set on the cups and the saucers, it'll be this one, then the mint deco, and the other 3 would be these 3 designs. I'm very happy with this set, but like I mentioned earlier, I do want to get the entire collection. So now that I have the first set complete, I'm gonna start by getting the other probably cups and saucers and salad plates, and then I'll move on to getting another teapot. And of course the teapot comes with the creamer and the sugar bowl. The one that I want to get in this kind of like the teapot set will be a yellow one. It's like white and it has some yellow flowers, very pretty. That set, the second set, like the 1950s to the 1990s, has more feminine colors, a bit more like the pinkish, a bit more yellowish tones, so I'm very excited for that one as well. But anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you have anything from Royal Albert. What are your recommendations? Because I know my collection is not gonna stop here. I actually have a few older collections that are no longer available on my wish list. If you're interested in any kind of like older collections, definitely check out Etsy. They have a ton of stuff, but those things are like you have to buy whenever you see them, because if not, they'll be gone. But for now, I'm just focusing in completing this collection. Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!